So, good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss on one of the most important topic, that is the elimination and the substitution reactions. See, mostly the organic reactions which is mostly asked, is based upon this mechanism. If you are quite sure about this mechanism, you are quite sure about those questions. Okay, so let's discuss it. First point we are going to discuss today is the elimination reactions. See, the name here suggests us a very much important things. Okay, so now let's discuss what it is actually. Elimination reactions. नेमकं कोणाला म्हणायचं? अशी reaction, the reaction in which atom or groups are removed. Atom or a group is removed called as elimination reaction. What do you mean by that? It means simply that there are certain atoms or groups which in that compound or a molecule and you are going to remove it. मग त्याच्यातून तुम्ही ते ॲटम किंवा ग्रुप काढला तर तुम्ही त्याला काय म्हणू शकता? एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन. काय म्हणू शकता? एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन. मग आता हे जे एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन आहेत हे पुन्हा दोन प्रकारचे आहेत. I'll explain with the example, okay? One is alpha elimination and the another is beta elimination. हे समजलंय का तुम्हाला? म्हणजे अशी रिएक्शन ज्याच्यामध्ये ग्रुप किंवा ॲटम आपण काढून टाकतो त्याला एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन म्हणायचं. एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शनचे दोन प्रकार असतात, एक अल्फा एलिमिनेशन, दुसरा आहे बीटा एलिमिनेशन. आता ते नेमकं कसं घडतं ते आपण बघूया. हाऊ डज इट टेक्स प्लेस? वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इट नाउ. लेट्स फर्स्ट डिस्कस द अल्फा एलिमिनेशन. अल्फा एलिमिनेशन. For that you should first know basic thing that what is an alpha carbon. What is a alpha carbon, right? So now see, this is your functional group. So the carbon to which the functional group is attached, is called as alpha carbon. What is the definition of it? So the carbon, alpha carbon can be defined as carbon to which the functional group Fg, I'm using Fg for the functional group, okay? Fg or a functional group is attached, called as alpha carbon. If I am saying that it is an alpha elimination reaction, means that atom is actually attached to the alpha carbon. So now the carbon to which the alpha functional group is attached, carbon to which the functional group is attached is called as alpha carbon. Now if I remove the group from the alpha carbon, if this is my group Fg, if I am removing it, right? So if you are removing the group or the atom from the alpha carbon, suppose X is an atom, I am removing it. If I am removing group or atom from the alpha carbon, then it is called as alpha elimination reaction. It is very simple. So what I told you now, there are two types of elimination reaction. Alpha elimination, what is the alpha carbon? A carbon to which the functional group is attached is called as the alpha carbon. And if the group is removed from the alpha carbon, then it is called as alpha elimination. Now what do you mean by beta elimination? It will have a similar kind of resemblance now. If I said that this is a beta elimination, in that case you should know what is a beta carbon now. So suppose this is your functional group, this is your alpha. The carbon which is next to the alpha is called as beta. म्हणजे जो अल्फा कार्बनच्या शेजारचा जो कार्बन असेल त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? बीटा कार्बन. मग बीटा कार्बनचा जर एक्स ग्रुप किंवा किंवा जो काही ग्रुप ऍटम आहे आपण काढून टाकला याच्यामध्ये, रिमूव्ह केला, बरोबर. मी काय म्हणते ते नीट समजलंय का? ज्या कार्बनला फंक्शनल ग्रुप अटॅच आहे तो अल्फा झाला, त्याच्या शेजारचा जो कार्बन आहे तो काय झाला? बीटा, राईट. मग जर फंक्शनल ग्रुप किंवा ऍटम आपण कोणतं करायचं काढलंय? बीटा कार्बनला अटॅच असलेला ग्रुप किंवा ऍटम जर आपण काढून टाकला तर त्याला म्हणायचं बीटा. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? बीटा. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज बीटा एलिमिनेशन. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज बीटा एलिमिनेशन. इट्स क्वाइट सिम्पल. So beta elimination, you are saying that what is when a group or an atom attach to beta carbon is removed, then called as beta elimination. Called as beta elimination. राईट. मग इथं बीटा कार्बनचा तो ग्रुप किंवा ऍटम निघून जात असतो, त्यामुळे त्याला काय म्हणता येईल? बीटा एलिमिनेशन. काय म्हणता येईल? बीटा एलिमिनेशन. ओके. सो नाव येस we'll go for the next point now. Yes. Next is what? Next we are going to discuss about is the E2 type of elimination. We have just discussed about alpha and beta elimination. There are one more classification of elimination reaction. So elimination reaction can be again classified as E2 elimination, and another is E1 elimination. So E2 elimination is bimolecular elimination reaction. E1 is simply unimolecular elimination reaction. See, when we study about the rate of the reaction, then we use in a chemical kinetics. According to the chemical kinetics, if the rate of reaction depends upon the two substrate, you can say, right, then you can call it as a bimolecular. But if it depends on only one, then it's called as unimolecular. How it works, I'll explain it in the later part, but right now you should know only this much, that you can simply say that the rate of reaction depends upon both your substrate as well on your base. Then it is called as bimolecular substitution reaction. Now, what are the bases? You need a strong base for this reaction. You need to learn these bases. हे जे रिएजंट आपण वापरतो ना, हे जे बेसिस आपण वापरतो, हे माहिती असणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. कारण ज्यावेळेस ते आपल्याला रिएक्शन विचारतात त्यावेळेस आपल्याला हे एरोवरती फक्त रिएजंट दिसतात. मग जसे रिएजंट दिसतात त्याच हिशोबाने आपलं उत्तर असलं पाहिजे. अल्कोहोलिक बेस वापरला जाऊ शकतो. दुसरं म्हणजे C2H5O minus, that is what ethoxide ion. Then it is soda amide, that is NaNH2. It is also a strong base. Then CH3 3CO minus, etc. So these are the four important bases which can be used in the bimolecular, elimination reaction. So what you can say? Bimolecular कोणाला म्हणायचं? Bimolecular elimination reaction अशा रिएक्शन असतात जिथं रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन फक्त सबस्टिट्यूटवर डिपेंड नसून तर तो बेसवर पण डिपेंड आहे. नेक्स्ट थिंग, जे स्ट्रॉंग बेसेस आपण याच्यामध्ये वापरणार आहोत ते अल्कोहोलिक KOH, इथॉक्साइड आयन, सोडा अमाइड आणि ऑफकोर्स CH3CO minus. Okay, so now before going to it, we can say that it is simply a second order reaction now. Second order. It is a second order reaction. So now let's discuss an example for it. I'll rub it out now and we'll start from the top. Okay, so now So now let's discuss an example which you mostly know, that a strong base is alcoholic KOH and its action, that is a dehydrohalogenation reaction. Which is it? First reaction which we are going to discuss here is the dehydrohalogenation reaction. Let's study it.